stopped at the gas station to get some stuff to eat and drink. My eyes looking nice. We've just arrived at our destination, but it's raining, so we're waiting in the car for a while to see if the rain will stop. The rain has calmed down, so we're now heading to the waterfall. I hope I don't fall. Cross here. I feel something on my foot. Yeah. What? I had to fight for my life. Little turn. Don't come out. Made it across, guys, but that water was really strong. I thought the water would have gone with me. No joke, no lie. Today, if I said I never had an adventure in my life, I lied. Huh? Because the water is too strong. We are heading back, guys, because the pressure was of the water. We made it back to the vehicle in one piece. That was an experience. When that was tell me let's go somewhere, we make sure the sun is in the center of the sky.
You are right. No, but the sun was not in the sky in gas trees. That's the thing.
That was a fun experience. I don't care what Lila sees on the back there. I'm home, guys, and I'm not going to lie. That experience today, that was great. Even though the water almost went with me, that was fun. If I had to do it again, would I? Yes. Anyways, that was all for today. So thank you for watching so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, put on your post notifications, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.